Hi there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint template. So go to a blank slide and you're going to insert this arrow type shape that is at the right side of course, and what we're going to do is rotate it to the left side. And now we're going to move it onto the left side. And the next thing we're going to do is duplicate it by pressing Ctrl D. And we're going to place that duplicated shape next to the first one. And we're going to duplicate it again and place three of them like this. Put this third one onto the second one like this, that the sum of the space of second one is visible. And what you're going to do is adjust it and select this first and this third shapes, and you're gonna remove its outline, but you're gonna select the second and the third shape, first and the second shape, and you're gonna subtract them. You're gonna put them left here like this. This is how it looks. Now the next thing you're gonna do is duplicate this shape, and you're gonna place it right here onto the first shape, and let's select both of them, go to merge, and we're gonna go to merge shapes and we're gonna subtract them. So this shape is what we needed. Now the next thing we're gonna do is select this one and duplicate it by pressing Ctrl D, and we're gonna select both of these and we're gonna go to merge and union, and we're gonna remove their outline, go to shape fill and change the color. Now I'm gonna change the format background to black. I'm gonna insert an image onto the shape. Now I'm using this image for instance. And let's give it some shadow and preset, and let's increase its brightness and sharpness. Now put this shape onto this shape right here. And what you're gonna do is decrease its width. And let's go to shape format and change its color to black. White will be white. So I have changed its color to white, and we're gonna decrease its transparency. Like we're gonna increase its transparency so it looks a little bit transparent. Now let's remove its line and put it into an adjusted place and duplicate it, and place that duplicated one right here. And adjust it. There you go. Now the next thing I'm gonna do is select this shape. Now I'm gonna go to Insert tab, and I'm gonna add a text box right here, in which I'm gonna add my header and the title that I'm using, for instance, in PowerPoint. Let's increase its size and let's change its font. There you go. Change its color to wedge. I'm using eyedropper to take the similar color from the image. Let's put it right here. And what we're gonna do is decrease the size a little bit so that it fits into the template without touching the other shapes. And let's adjust it into the middle and the center. And I have added the text and other stuff and the content of this template. So it's time to give animations, and I'm gonna give this animation, and you're gonna give the same animation to all the other like shapes. I'm gonna give this one to this shape, that picture shape, and I'm gonna increase its time. Let's give this one the same animation as the first shape, and I'm gonna change its time as well. We're gonna select the text and we're gonna give it some animation too. Be sure to give the same animation as I have done so that your result come out to be similar to mine. And the next thing we're gonna do is Select this, go to this, and we're gonna give all of the animations to this one. And there you go. Now select the last text, and we're gonna go to animation. And there you go. So this is the final result. And if you like the video, be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to comment down to let us know about your opinion.